Hi guys, today we are learning how to fix Netflix black screen while mirroring step by step. First, unlock your phone and open the App Store or Play Store. Make sure your internet connection is stable before starting. This is important because outdated apps can cause mirroring issues. Now we will search for Netflix and check for updates. Now tap on the search bar at the top or bottom of the screen, type Netflix and search for the app. Once Netflix appears, open the app page from the results. Here you can check if an update is available. Now check if an update button is showing on the screen. If yes, tap on it and update the Netflix app immediately. Updating fixes bugs and screen mirroring issues in many cases. Wait until the update is fully installed. Now go back and open your phone settings. Look for Software Update or System Update option. Tap on it to check if any new update is available. Updating your device helps fix compatibility issues with Netflix. If a software update is available, tap on Download and install. Wait for the update process to complete fully. This helps fix screen mirroring bugs and system errors. After updating, your phone will restart automatically. If the issue still continues, restart your phone once. A restart refreshes all system processes and fixes temporary glitches. After restarting, try mirroring Netflix again. In most cases, the black screen issue gets resolved, and that's how you can easily fix Netflix black screen while mirroring step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.